Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the same WhatsApp account on two phones. WhatsApp's companion mode allows you to use the same WhatsApp account on two phones at the same time. And make sure WhatsApp is already installed and logged into your primary phone, and make sure to update WhatsApp to the latest version if you already have not so. And simply open your WhatsApp, and after that select your profile icon in the bottom right, and from here you need to tap onto this link a device. And here you can select to this OK, or you can also link with the phone number instead if you want to, as I'm going to select this OK here. So from here you need to scan a QR code, and after that WhatsApp will sync your chats and account data to the second phone, and once syncing is completed you can send and receive messages from the both phones. And messaging stay end-to-end encrypted. Both phones can receive messages independently, and the primary phone should connect to the internet periodically to keep the companion device linked. And that is it. This is how you can use the WhatsApp account on two phones. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.